Good morning. Day 7 of the trek. Another cruisy day where I can't get too used to it because the pass is tomorrow. So we're just about to head down for breakfast. It's 8 o'clock. And then chill out for the morning again. I'm really gonna hunt out hot shower, I think. Blister last night. As soon as I uncovered it, it was like a normal blister, and then I was sitting around the fire. Or as you saw, someone was helping me fix it, but it just like blew up. Like a little bit of swelling and like weeping and stuff. Too much information, pretty gross. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and get that into a shower. That would be good. And then we head off to... I gotta check Airline. But for now, let's go down to breakfast. Good morning. Still singing. Still singing.
How is the push?
I don't know. I haven't checked it this morning. I thought we were leaving after lunch, but we're actually leaving in half an hour. So I need to get changed and sort my shit out. There's actual clouds outside. This is the first time we've seen proper clouds this entire time. So I did find out where we're going. We're going to Dharmashala today, which I think I said it wrong previously, but now we're going up above 4,000 meters. So right now we're at 3,900-ish. This information, I get told it, and it just does not stick in my head, and I always have to ask like multiple times. Same as I've thought for like 3 days in a row, I've been like, tomorrow is past day, like let's get hyped, and then it's not, but tomorrow is past day. I'm pretty sure of that now. Where's my toilet paper going? And as far as being warm at night, I'm still very cozy. I sometimes even kick off my second blanket because I'm so warm. That is the perk of having, first of all, a room to yourself when you might usually have to share if there was no room at the inn. And then also you just steal the spare bed's blanket. But often you don't actually need it. This is a sleeping bag that I got from Bold Himalaya, the guiding company. It is brilliant and it's very warm. So yeah, I'm still a smug bug in a rug, and I've still got plenty of layers to put on if I do start getting colder at night, which makes me feel pretty confident and safe that I've like always got more stuff to put on. Alright, let's go. Gotcha. Oh, wait.
Be careful. Yeah.
Okay, I've recovered now. You can definitely feel the air up here today is thinner. It's like breathing and you're expanding your lungs in as much as you can, but it's like fake air. Like you can feel that it's not satisfying you. We can see Dharmashala just over there. A couple more ridges to go around. A couple of fake summits today. Fake tops of the hills. Ruthless.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
This one is a Dharmashala.
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Dharmashala.
It's so expensive, and it's just like not seen as the thing for girls to do.
Yeah, look, it's changing now.
Alright, we just went for like a little wander up the path, well, the track that we're going to be going up tomorrow to see the views. We got up to just over 4,600 meters and then came back down. So just do a little bit of active stuff this afternoon instead of just lying in bed. I feel physically sweet, genuinely. Like, oh, my patch is coming off. I need to find a way to fix that. Yeah, I feel physically sweet. I'm excited. For like 3 days, I've been getting mixed up in my head and I've been like, tomorrow's the pass for like 3 days. But it's actually tomorrow and it's a little bit daunting. I think overnight here, it's going to be anywhere from -5 to -15. Up on the pass, probably between -5 and -10. So what I'm going to do, we've got to get up at 3:30's breakfast, and then I think we're leaving at 4 in the morning. So it's 3:15 now, so I'm going to get all my stuff sorted. I've got to do a decent repack of my bag. Might as well film it and chat about it actually. Very unique and new concept, packing a bag, so you can watch that. And then I feel like a hot chocolate sounds pretty good. When we arrived here, the guys that run it, there's like 2 people here. They were apparently we got told, they just want to shut it down and leave for the winter, but people keep coming through and they're kind of like, why are you here? Like, it's like bloody cold, it's winter. Like, how many more people are coming through? We want to leave. And I don't think the fire's getting lit tonight from what I hear. The electricity's not on. It's a cool vibe, but it's very much like, this is like a camp before you go to the pass. Like, it's not like a nice fancy tea house. Although the rooms so far are probably the warmest I've been in. And I need to acquire some blankets. Again, from what I've heard, you've got to pay for them. Which is like ruthless. So yeah, I'll be dishing out some money for 2 blankets as well. Oh my god, that shot's amazing. Right, thrilling. We're gonna pack the bags up. So, first of all, this is kind of what's become of my towel. I've been chopping little lengths off it, my heels, and to like wipe myself down with water instead of wipes. If anyone from MacPack is watching, please send me a new towel. Okay, so I've got everything here that I need laid out. So first of all, Cliff Bars. I'm going to pack 3 Cliff Bars in the snack pocket. That's in there with the electrolytes. We're going to give 1 Cliff Bar to Phil, so he is almost out. Next, I'm literally going to sleep in everything that I'm wearing tomorrow because I don't want to get changed at 3:30 a.m. when it's -5 outside. I don't know if that's gross, whatever. I've got clean socks on though, and my MacPack booties. This is the first time I've worn them. Busted them out, very cozy. So, next, I've got the extra bits and bobs that I'm going to put on tomorrow morning. I've got beanie, buff, gloves, headlight for tonight and tomorrow morning. That can go there. And because there's no electricity here that I can see, or like plugs, this is actually the first time I've used my power banks at all. So, I'm charged and ready to go. Big down jacket. Gaiters, also going to put my gaiters on tomorrow morning. Purely for the wind. Also going to put in the front mum's crochet balaclava. Rain pants. I'm actually going to take rain pants as windbreaker pants. They're lighter than my fleece pants and they take up less space. Big down mittens. Cheers to my friend Harry. Gave me those ones. Those are going in there. Also cheers to Harry. Big sunglasses. Sicko. I haven't worn sunglasses this entire time, but I will be wearing them tomorrow so that in case there's snow or ice, it doesn't hurt my eyes. This is the exciting part, my flags. I have a flag from the garden company that we're going to take a pic of at the top. And I also have my extremely patriotic New Zealand flag. I've got my first aid kit and strapping tape in here already. Spikes. I spiked my shoes. I'll chuck these in. Also chucking on in the morning, or probably tonight, down jacket, my really light backpack one. Backpack, you've got to hit me up, guys, come on. I think it's pretty much like I know where everything's going to go now, I just have to put it in there. And we're good to go. Alright, it's 6:30 at night. I'm about to go make an expedition to pee, because if I have to do that in the middle of the night, it'll probably be the death of me. And then I will see you at 3:30 in the morning. Good night.